So the way you play color pop is you have 4 different colors, and you have a selected color at the top. This is the score. It starts from 0. So if you tap, so you have to tap on the circle with the same color. So you have at the end of the game, you have an equal number of colors. So each color has equal number of circles, I guess. So you the game basically ends when you run out of colors to tap on. So you are forced to tap on the circles with the same color. We have 4 reds, so let's just tap on one. Let's see what happens. Okay, so now we have green. So the way the game works is if you tap on this green, for example, all these circles in the 9 grid radius around your circle will be removed if they have the same color. So in this case, if we tap on this one, this green will also get removed, and the other colors, the other circles will remain unchanged. So let's tap, okay, and the next, so the circles that get removed are replaced with random new colors. Okay, so we have purple. If we tap on this one, both the this color, this circle and this circle will be removed. Blue, and so on. I'm just gonna tap randomly. So the point of the game is you try to reach as high of a score as you can. If you only remove one circle of the same color, you don't get any points. If you remove 2, I think you get 1 point. Okay, so in this case, if we tap on this circle, for example, we're gonna remove 4 circles in total. I think we're gonna get 2 or 3 points. Okay, 2 points. So yeah, that's one thing. Another thing is if you remove too many circles of the same color too soon, you might run out of circles with that specific color. And for example, right now we only have one green circle on the board, and that's bad because okay, now we only have one red. The point is you're gonna have to try and not run out of one specific color, because if you run out completely and the active color is that color you don't have on the board, the game basically ends. Okay, so yeah, we didn't have any red circles on the board, so the game ended because there were no more valid taps basically. So yeah, that's how you play the game, and yeah, that's it.